welcome to Travel Shots Live, where I bring you unedited footage of all the places I travel. We're in Sarajevo, Bosnia, and you're actually in my kitchen in Sarajevo, Bosnia. I picked up some Bosnian coffee. I'm going to show you the brand of the coffee. It's authentic to this area. It was recommended by my Airbnb host. They said, this is the guy you go to buy your coffee. This is like the real deal. He roasts the coffee. It's out of the mountains. He roasts it. He takes, what do you call, like a mortar and pestle, however you call that. And he has a machine that crunches it down right on the spot, and then you buy it. So let me show that to you. And then I'm going to show you how they taught me to make it. And hopefully it comes out as good as when you get it at a cafe. So I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. This may be a disaster, but we're going to try it. I'm going to show you the brand first. So here we go. If you can see it, I'm going to try to get away from the live. It's called Mina's Cafe. See? And it shows right on the side if you want to buy it when you get to Sarajevo. See, that is true Sarajevo coffee. Actually, let me show this side. This is better. Sorry, guys. The camera. See, Sarajevo coffee. Okay. Now, in an effort to save time, I already cut the lid. Here's what it looks like inside. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh my God, that is just so beautiful. And I've already heated up hot water here, because you have to have hot water ready. And I've already turned on the stove, because I'm doing this all with one hand. And this is what they use in Bosnia, just like they use in Turkey, so the handle doesn't get hot. It's made out of special metal. And you put 3 of these teaspoons in here. So I've already pre-done that, okay? And then they say before you do anything else, you're supposed to actually put it on here. As you can see, it's hot. And you're supposed to actually heat up the thing inside, and that thing is roasting. Okay, so we already did that. Now, I can smell it. Now I'm gonna add the coffee to it, or I mean the water. I'm sorry, I'm gonna add the hot water to this. All right. I'm just gonna do like that much because I don't know. Now, we're going to put it back on here. You're supposed to mix it, is what I've been told. Mix it, right? And then just let it sit. You're supposed to wait until it actually starts coming to the top. It's like a inflation, like a bubble effect or something. I don't know. So I hope this works. It's heating up. Ooh, this thing's hot, bro. I thought I'd just turn the thing on as hot as it can go so we can do this real quick. There it goes. You see it? There it goes. Okay, it's starting to swell. That's what she said, right? Now you gotta hurry up and move it before it goes crazy, right? And you let it sit again. And then you do it again. From what I understand, you do it again. It's like 2 times. Whoa! Okay, never mind. Holy shit. Okay, that can happen. All right. No worries. Don't panic, people. We got this under control. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a big whoopsie. Holy shit. I gotta turn off this thing. Okay, hold on. Oh my God. There it goes. Okay. All right. Well, minus that happening, if you would have paid attention better than I did, that probably wouldn't have happened. Now we know not what to do. Live and learn, but I think we're still going to be able to salvage this. So it's off the heat. I know y'all are laughing. Hey, like I said, my shit's unedited, man. So I'm not cutting it out because you know what? This could happen to you, right? Now, the next thing I was told, of course, it already did its fizzy thing, but you're supposed to like sort of do this. And you have to let it settle. This looks terrible. I have to wait till that cools down, guys, before I clean this up. So don't pay attention to that. We're going to wait for this to settle. Okay, it's definitely hot. And the reason you have to wait for it to settle is because this is an instant coffee. It's, you know, it's coffee. And it has to like just settle to the bottom. And then you pour it out. So I'm thinking we're good to go. So minus the crappy mess I just made. Then what you do is you pour it in your coffee cup, right? Now I'm going to show you, it didn't make exactly a whole thing. But I think you have to let it settle in here too because the grinds, you see? The grinds are going to be all at the bottom. You see the grinds? There you go. So I'm just going to do it that much. Okay, that's it. And then, one more time, I'm just going to sort of move it around on the top. Now, grant you, this is the first time I've made this myself, so obviously I've done a total mess. But I'm going to clean it up. At least I didn't burn the place down, right? Okay. Now, what are these? You're probably wondering. These are sugar cubes. And this is a thing, man. Like, I always thought you take the sugar cube, the entire cube, and you just drop it in there like you do with tea. But you're not supposed to do that here. What you're supposed to do is dip it like that and then eat it. Like that. See? Just eat it. It's sugar. And then you back it up with the coffee and hope to God that this tastes good. Here we go. I did it. It's actually pretty good. I can't believe it. Okay, let me try again. That's how you do it. And that's Bosnian coffee. Minus the disaster I just made. But anyway, like or don't like the video, up to you. Subscribe or don't subscribe. Wish you would. Got so much more craziness coming from the Balkans. And if you're already subscribed, I love you. Thank you for watching all of my insanity here. Anyway, yeah, drop a comment, share the video with the world, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.